Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Dynamic Island in Galaxy A06 device. So first of all guys, we have to go to Play Store and here search for Dynamic Bar. So this one is the application, by the way. Just install this application. Now click to open. So guys, this application is a free, so that's why this application contains some ads. But now all you guys have to do just enable this feature and then allow the permissions. Okay, now go back. Allow the notification access. Again go back. And that's it. So guys, we have these two options, this one and this one. So you can select anyone which you like the most. We can also set their notch position like this, and we can also set the notch size. Okay, so now let's see. Let me put in the charger. And that's it. This is how it's work. So as you see guys, this is how we can install Dynamic Island in Galaxy A06 device. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.